right, there we go. Okay, so hello. There we go. Hello. It is currently raining right now. My hair looks like shit. I feel like shit. But guess what today is? Leg day. Today's leg day. So, yeah, hold on. I'm gonna cut this just to review the footage because my front camera doesn't work for some reason. So, yeah. Alright, so we are back. Yesterday was our rest day. Yesterday I put a little bit of work in yesterday. Got me a couple bills. But yeah, yesterday it rained though, kinda, so I kinda had to stop production a bit. Just to because I don't want to get my equipment all wet and shit. Take a piece of milk. But yeah, currently it's raining hard as fuck. So, I don't know if Planet Fitness is going to be open. I'm not even sure. But I'm going to drive safe though. I hate it when it rains. Because I don't think this truck can handle it. It's just, it does a little, what you call it? Wait, say you do like a sharp turn, kind of does that. So, does that sometimes. But today we are gonna hit legs today. My favorite part of the week. As you can tell, I am being sarcastic. But yeah, oh yeah, by the way, we made it to 3 subscribers. Yo, I know that isn't a big accomplishment, but people subscribing to my content. I mean, the views, I appreciate the views as well. I actually thought I was gonna still be at what, fucking 10 views. But the first video and the second video got over 10, so I'm pretty happy that some people like my content enough to watch it. But we are definitely gonna improve then. I got this extra motivation, so I might buy one of those phone stands for recording. Might get that. I don't know where to get it though. Maybe off TikTok shop, but I don't use TikTok, so I might tell my sister to order it for me. But yeah, I had to make a big sacrifice for this YouTube channel and for my audience. Unfortunately, I had to delete Dragon Ball Legends and Clash of Clans. I had to make a sacrifice. You know, as Thanos once said, a soul for a soul. I did not see that. A soul for a soul. And I had to sacrifice Dragon Ball Legends to make content. That is the biggest sacrifice anybody could make. Even me. You know why it was a sacrifice? Because the fucking new Zenkai for yellow sparking Broly from the second movie, from Second Coming or whatever, Broly Second Coming, the Zenkai came out. I'm hearing mixed reviews because his ultimate is pretty good from what I've heard. His ultimate is pretty good. It does AoE damage, I think. I'm not too sure, but I wanted to play him because I like the character. I like the Broly Second Coming movie. I like it. One of my top 3 Dragon Ball movies. I think. All right, let's rate my favorite Dragon Ball movies. So, honorable mentions. Well, we're kind of gonna do like a top 5, kind of. But the 2 honorable mentions are Superhero and Super Broly. You know, those are pretty good. I seen them recently. You know, kind of because I'm a new Dragon Ball fan, so they're pretty good though. I don't see. There's a little bit of hate around it. The art style's pretty good. I don't know why people hate on it, but some people in the community hate on it, but not me. I actually like them. All right, so on my number 3 spot, I'm not gonna lie, probably BoJack Unbound. I think that's what it's called. BoJack, the BoJack movie, where fucking Gohan turns into a Super Saiyan 2 once again. That. And then at my number 2, it's between the first Broly movie or Broly's Second Coming. Those 2 are like my top 2. They're interchangeable. I guess it's depending on what I'm feeling that day, really. But I really enjoy those 2 movies. So my favorite movies. But that's my number 2. At my number 1, I'll probably say Fusion Reborn. I love Fusion Reborn. You know, that movie actually made me love Gogeta. Look, I know, you know, fuck superhero, not superhero, fuck Broly, the new Broly movie. Not even new, but the Super Broly movie. It doesn't light a candle to the original Gogeta. Even though it's not canon, still, I love that Gogeta for some reason. Look, for some reason, right, I feel like Gogeta Blue, I don't know if I'm in the minority here. Maybe because I'm a Vegito fan, but I don't feel like Gogeta Blue, like, kind of, like, fits Gogeta, if you know what I mean. Like, I feel like Super Gogeta fits. Shit, you could even argue Super Saiyan, well, it's never happened before, but you could argue Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta makes way more sense than Blue Gogeta. I don't know, it just looks, you know, the looks, that's just the looks to me, but, oh shit, whoa. But Super Gogeta though, Super Saiyan 1 or whatever, Gogeta, looks amazing, phenomenal. And I like the section with Goten and Trunks. That was alright. Oh shit, I forgot Dragon Fist. Damn it, I should have made it my top 4. Nah, okay, if I had a top 4, right, it would have been BoJack Unbound, one of the first 2 Broly movies, and then on my number 2 would be Dragon Fist, and then on my number 1 would be Fusion Reborn. Because I feel like in those 2 movies, Super Saiyan 3 was treated a lot with respect, even though it did, well, in Fusion Reborn it didn't win. It did put in a decent amount of work with Janemba. So, yeah. I mean, Cooler's Revenge is an interesting one. I'll tell you that much. I like it. It's not like my top 5. Probably be in my top 10, but not my top 5. But yeah, those are the Tyrone favorite Dragon Ball movies. I'm still kind of like mad about deleting Dragon Ball Legends because I was kind of grinding. I'm not gonna lie, for some Chrono Crystals. Because I'm trying to wait for the Legends Festival. So I'm saving. Hold on, I'm gonna check if I gotta go back. Just a little bit. But yeah, that's the way the news goes. But yeah, today is gonna be a leg day. So yeah, let's hope I have enough storage. Oh damn. All right, well, hold up. I will see y'all on the flip side. Goodbye. Oh my god, guys, this is fucking heaven. This is heaven. There's nobody here. There's only a few people here, but yeah. Yeah, this got to be heaven. This got to be heaven. All right, so we're gonna do leg extensions. These ones, not the other ones with the pull, because what's it called? These ones I use more of my legs, and the other one you could just cheat. You could just cheat. So I mean, I was going to. I realized I could have just gone over there, but fuck it. You win some, you lose some. So this one, we're doing this one next. Yeah, gonna do this one next. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, my storage shit, even though it was at 40 yesterday, guess what? It's at fucking 64. I don't even know why. I might be cooked, I ain't even gonna lie. But I might need a new phone. But yeah, I was doing, alright, there we go. I had to make a sacrifice. I had to delete CapCut for the time being, but I'll get it back though. But I had to delete it meantime. So just to record these squats and then, and then just go home, record the ending video. leg day. By the way, I did more exercises. It's just I didn't like how they look kind of goofy on my whole body. So I just cut some of them out. Did other some shit. I'll explain it on the car ride home. Let's just do one play. Let's just do it. Okay, still recording. Just making sure. Alright. We'll call it a day. I'm fucking tired. And CapCut, I mean not CapCut, iPhone is fucking screwing me over with the storage. So, alright, so yeah. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful. You guys see that? Nothing. Exactly, because there's barely anybody there. I had a fucking ball. It was the best leg day I've ever had. Not because of the exercises more, but more of because there was fucking nobody. So you guys know I was fucking happy. But I am extremely tired though. As you guys can see, I'm drained, but not because of the rain. Nah, more like fucking finishing out the leg day. By the way, I gotta figure out a way how to do this shit, because you know my storage is gonna run out. Shit, I don't even know if it's gonna run out right now. But we're gonna go. So as it turns out, I was not recording the whole time. So let me catch up to what I was saying. So I don't want to go to school. I think I figured out a way to balance workout, school, and job. I'm thinking about just working out, 6 a.m. and then go to school. Well, take a shower before that. Obviously, I don't want to come home. I would go to school stinky, and then go home, eat something, and then go to work. That's what I'm thinking about. By the way, I own my own business. By the way, so if y'all thought, oh, he's gonna be a dishwasher, fuck you. I'm not a dish. Sorry to curse out anybody, but what else? Oh yeah, ask out my gym crush for real on the block, on the set. No, I'm joking. I might just say, where'd you get that beautiful spot? That's so fucking corny, but it works. I mean, I don't know. I seen some guy do it in real life. But let's see, what else was that? Oh yeah, I'm going to the Diddy party this Saturday, and then I'm gonna go to a quinceañera, so I'm gonna get the double bitches. You know what I mean? Sorry, females. I mean, sorry. I can't be provocative. That's bad language right there. Not friendly family, but yeah, do that. My ex is gonna be there, so it's gonna be let's see if she'll try to talk to me. I won't approach her. I just say hi, how you doing, and that's it. Let's see, what else was I saying? That's about it. I made it home. Oh yeah. The recording. Hold on, I gotta check if it's recording. Okay, yes, it is recording. So the recording situation. Okay, so look, I thought I'll plan. 1 week I record, another week I don't, because I'm also trying to listen to music. Okay, it gives me a little bit of motivation. So I'm thinking about just like this week, right? Tomorrow is the final video, so I will record that, do it. Last week was an exception because that was my first video, and I wanted to see where the flow goes. You know what I mean? So I'll get this video done out by today. So I'm gonna just edit it. And hopefully it doesn't take up too much space. I really hope not, but if it comes down to it, I'm fucked. But yeah, I think that's about it for day what? We're in day 4 now. I mean, I've been working out longer, but technically on the YouTube, I've only been working out 4 days. But yeah, that's the way the news goes. Sorry, I'm quoting Rick and Morty right now. I don't really like Rick and Morty anymore. But yeah, that's about it. It's still raining. But yeah, I think I got a job this Saturday. I think. I'm gonna call that guy. All right, well, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Goodbye.